Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute. I don't even want to say it was like a setback, but I'm coming back with a major comeback. Y'all know I be taking my breaks. I get lazy, but YouTube is not something that I want to give up. So that's why I'm bringing you guys a video today. So yes, let's just get right into it. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a shoe unboxing. Your girl made another big girl purchase. I've been doing a lot of big girl things, okay, behind the scenes. Things I may talk about in the future, but your girl has been doing a lot of big girl things, okay? So yes, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I have really been wanting these shoes. It was between these and the Louis Vuitton ones. But I went to my family function and one of their friends had on these shoes, or she might have had on the Louis Vuitton ones. I honestly don't remember. But when I seen them, I was like, I really like those. Like, I like them. Like, I clearly already like them. I was like, damn, those look good on her feet. Like, I kind of want those. And then I don't know if, like, you know how cookies work these days. Anything you search or even talk about, it's like an ad will pop up. So boom, I think an ad popped up on my phone. This might have been the next day, and I seen them and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna get them. So I looked them up. I seen what the price was. Now to me, I feel like they usually, before they retail for $6.90. And there's a YouTuber on here by the name of Jeranika. She's like a big fashion YouTuber. I think she also posted like a reel of like different outfits, and the first outfit was her with them shoes on. So mind you, I was already searching the shoe, and then she posted this video, and I was just like, I commented on the video. I was like, I need you to make a dedicated video about these because I'm about to buy these shoes. I buy the shoes, y'all. I buy the freaking shoes. And yeah, I mean, let's go ahead and get right to it. I mean, you probably could tell by the title and the thumbnail what shoes they are. Obviously, the price that I pay for these shoes, I'm going to be wearing them. So I've been wearing them since I got them. Any chance I can get, I mean, it's the springtime, so we kind of have like rainy weather, and I obviously don't want to wear them in the rain. I messed up because one day I did. I wasn't expecting it to rain in the rain, but boom, we here now. So I'm gonna put, I can't unbox it again, but I'll put my unboxing TikTok on here. If you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. So yeah, it came in this big old box. I think it took like 2 days to come, honestly. This is the shoe box. So obviously it's the Gucci. In fact, y'all, I'm not even gonna sit here in front like I know the name of these. Gucci, Tessuto, GG Supreme, Micro Soft 38 plus. So these are 38. These are 38 and a half. And I usually get a 39. I was skeptical about getting the 39. If I could go back, I would get a 39, but the 38 and a half fits me perfectly. And these are in the color beige ebony, because they do come in like, I want to say like at least 3 other colors. So this is the box. Y'all know I have like my little Gucci replicas. Let's call them what they are. I have my little Gucci replicas. So now that I bought like the Gucci Bloom slides before, and they were real, but I don't think it came in a black and white box. I don't think it came in the green box. So this box compared to my other green boxes are huge, or yeah, this one is huge, okay? So inside, and like I said, I'll put the little TikTok because it came with the bow and everything, and I kept everything inside of the box as I do with any other shoe, even if it's my Jordans. Here is comes with tissue paper, yada, y'all. Luxury purchases. This was low-key like, I see the hype behind doing like nice luxury purchases, even though this isn't my first one. Like Gucci, they did their thing. Even the tissue paper is soft, like it's crazy. Came with 2 dust bags for each shoe. I have all these cards in here, honestly. Okay, so here's my receipt. Let's see. I want to show y'all this, but I feel like it might, I don't know if y'all can use this information, but point is, it's a real receipt, okay? Pay for this with my own. Well, obviously, Gucci ain't sponsoring nobody. But here's the receipt card. Here is, thank you for shopping with us, Gucci.com. Yeah, all that, authentication, whatever type stuff. Honestly, if they could have knocked off a little bit of the price for all these envelopes. And then I did give myself a little gift card which says just because I literally was just buying this just because, and I feel like, why not? Like, I'm not saying I want to buy myself a luxury purchase every single month, but as I'm getting older, like, I want to treat myself 10 times more than I already do. So, and I think, yeah, the tissue paper is so soft. I'm not even being dramatic. That is everything that came in the box. Put my stuff back in here. Here is the little shoestrings, all of that. And then we got this, whatever. And then on the Gucci website, you do have the option between choosing like the shopping bag set or something else. I don't remember what the something else was. So I chose the little shopping bag because, I mean, why not? I wanted to give that I, you know, made my big girl purchase, even though I didn't make it in store. I honestly don't think I would be a fan of doing like in-store shopping because I gotta make sure you have what I want. I gotta have the size, like, and I'm just indecisive sometimes. So I'd rather not shop in store unless it's like for perfume. And even then, like, I might want to use a coupon. I might be able to find it somewhere cheaper. I don't want to waste your time, all of that. So anyway, that's what I chose to do. And since we're mentioning it, I did make my vision board for 2024. And y'all might not be able to tell. I'm gonna zoom in because I don't want y'all to see my whole vision board. I just want y'all to see the portion. You know what? I had took a screenshot of the photo because I sent it to my best friend. So I sent her this, and if y'all cannot tell, it's a girl, like, luxury down. She got on a Chanel tank top, luxury sunglasses, nice watch. But the thing that's in the picture is y'all can't tell, but like, she has a designer bag because she made a purchase, and if you can't tell, it's a Gucci bag. And I was like, when I made the purchase, like, color, when I made the purchase, like, I wasn't intentionally thinking like, oh, let me fulfill what's on my vision board. But once I did it, and obviously my vision board is my wallpaper, so I'm going to, you know, every day periodically look at my wallpaper. So once I did that, I was like, oh my gosh, like, I literally am bringing my vision board to life, which is, I mean, that's what I do. Like, that's why I create a vision board. Like, it's manifestation, prayer, like, that stuff is real. It happens, like, and it doesn't have to happen intentionally. Sometimes it just naturally happens. So yeah, that was my little moment. But let's get into the shoes. So like I say, y'all, I have been wearing these shoes, and I'm not saying that like they've been dogged out, but I have definitely been wearing them. I think the rain really messed them up, like, But anyway, these are the shoes. They are just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Like, I love Gucci and Louis Vuitton are two of my favorite designers simply because they're monochromatic print that you could put on like any style and it looks good. Like, you can put it on a bag, a shoe, anything, and it just looks good. And I just love a little comfortable shoe. These are something you can throw on. Like, let me get up close for y'all. So here is the shoe. And yeah, I was honestly considering getting them off the boys, But even when I look at the boys, I mean, you know, sometimes I just don't care. If y'all want to see the bottom, this is how the bottom looks. Literally nothing special. Set them a little sticker on them. But yeah, I was considering getting these off of the boys, but what I noticed was different on those is this little part right here, this brown part, it was like longer. So that's how you will be able to tell authentic from the fake one, depending. So yes, these are my new shoes. I will be doing a styling video with them just because, again, like I plan to wear these so much, even though it's like summertime and these are a leather shoe and your feet can get a little bit hot in them, but not like too much. As far as comfort, I would say they're pretty comfortable. Like, they don't hurt my feet. I feel like as you wear them, you might stretch them out. One thing I did notice, which I also was kind of prepared for, because like I said, I watched Jeronika's video, is there is, y'all, I mean, can y'all really tell? I feel like looking at it, you can't tell, which is probably also a good thing about the monochromatic print, is there is a crease right here. And I don't know if that comes from like just wearing them, driving with pressing your foot on the pedal or pressing your toe. I feel like I drive more with my toe versus like my entire foot, so I try to be mindful of that when I'm wearing these shoes. But it does have a crease on them. I mean, other than that, I feel like it's a pretty standard shoe. On the inside, it looks like there's a serial number, if y'all can see that. So yeah, y'all, that is like my big girl purchase for the year so far. I would say I probably want to do like 2 a year as far as like clothing and shoes. Perfume and stuff like that, I feel like that's like kind of basic. I can do that every month, realistically speaking. But like something like this to me is a investment piece. If you know, like I have a pair of Balenciagas, my Dolce & Gabbanas. Like, when I invest in designer pieces, like, and pay retail, I do it because I plan to, one, because I really like the item. I know I'm going to wear it multiple times, and to me it's going to be like a timeless piece. So like all the purchases that I have made, I keep them, like I wear them, like they're worth it to me. So I don't feel bad about making that purchase. And then plus, I'm getting older, I'm elevating my style more, I'm dressing different, I want to present myself different. So yeah, that is why, or partially why I decided to go ahead and pick up these shoes. So yes, I am so happy I got these shoes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe so that way you see all the future videos that I have coming up. And yeah, leave me a comment. What y'all think of the shoes? Like, would y'all get them? I know y'all would get them, but like, or better yet, what's something y'all really want that y'all haven't bought yet, but it's just like, pull the trigger. One thing about me, when I do things, even if it's like buying something, sending a message, like I'm quick to just be like, boop. Well, it ain't no turning back now. Granted, I can easily return them if I wanted to, or if I had wanted to, but like sometimes it's just better to just pull the trigger and let loose. So yeah, that's it. I'm getting a little toasty. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.